well, you see, the thing about it is it can also buried under sand.
Okay.
Because the first water, when the first water come down, that's the dead water. So that's the water will take everything and everyone.
Yes.
So once it continues like a wave and it continues, it must hitch up and stuck somewhere or in bury up in the sand. But it can't get in and no water bottom right. Give it a
Yes. Officer.
Yes. Morning.
Brother, man. Find him alive for me, please. You find him alive. Yeah.
The rope, first time the rope go out there, come back by the thing back to the first back to the if in this time, we're going to better chance. Yeah, man, I tell you, when come on, that's my cousin, because I couldn't have them, them little brothers. And I try and run from them. So when they come down, that time the girl gone.
Yeah.
And then run come out, that's what I tell you. When we come out there, so we see man, say my thing, so we stand up and I go for the rope. But they still not stand up. And yeah, they stand up in
So we're here with the Maroon Chief in Maroon Town.
Scotsall, Maroon Town.
Maroon
Otherwise known as Kusho Town. It's a Chief Pink, Rudolph Pink. That's the name. Known as first Colonel Pink.
Okay.
I was elected as a colonel in this community to lead the people, and then becomes a chief, recognized under UN.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, good morning. Welcome guys, welcome. You know, this is Kenya Life in Jamaica, and as you can see guys, we're still, you know, it's 1 week now, you know, we're still on the search, we're still on the hunt, still the same way, you know, nothing ain't changed as yet. Nothing ain't changed as yet. Jason, doing good.
Can't complain. That's the greatest thing alive, you know?
It is right.
All the time.
Always to the road.
Yeah.
You know?
I head out back and search for leader again today.
I know it's a big man thing. Yo, you know, so I jump on our shows and roll.
Forward then.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I've done some years ago.
Yeah, man, I roll, man.
The only thing I say is 1 week, you know, and still no sign yet. So I guess today, you know, today they say his name they said JDF is gonna be out today. You know, the JDF is gonna be a part of it today, and also they're gonna have some divers and dogs. So let's see, you know, hopefully they're there, you know. So I've never seen one out there. Yeah. Yeah. So them say JDF is gonna be the search team as well too, you know, and divers. So that will be good as well too. So there's a spot that some people say they're gonna show us where we never searched before, you know. So, alright, Roger, are you here?
Yeah.
Not going out there.
I'm going out the water.
No, panic.
Yes, the military soldier there. Military man there.
That them say.
Alright.
Them say
Get
JDF.
them gone. Alright, come.
Them say JDF.
Let them gone this morning.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm here on the front, yeah?
Yeah. At 9:30 them send a big boss.
9:30?
Yeah.
No, we will meet them for 9:30.
The people them?
Yeah.
No, but I last night me heard Lodi tell them say.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, no, 9:30 for me the people them up at Castle, so forward and come. Yeah. Yeah, I just see him a while ago too.
And I hope you find
Yeah, we are praying we did today, you know. It's 1 week now.
I want to do it from the start, but I'm not doing it for the further.
From the start.
Yeah.
Mm.
And the front part, I'm not
Yeah.
do the front part. The man leave it too much back part.
Too much back part.
Can't chop out the front.
That's true.
The girl there, they look right there, so try to find the girl.
Yeah, we look which part that's as well.
You can't get
Twice.
Girl, you know.
Yeah, that's true even before, but them say them walk this as well, so.
I tell you, so that Cassitan part, go straight down there,
Yeah.
right this sun.
Right, that's now.
Kind of must wash with.
True, you can't itch up on
And
it.
I say, one thing at the part where you pay, the Castan part where you pay.
But that means
And that river the way you pay going, because when going on at the one when you pay, you know.
Yeah.
And the Wag River, you know.
Yeah.
So you have the Wag River, what about the one where go back down to Castan side? You know, go down that side there.
Well, them say them sales come down, so I don't know how reality that is, so we'd have to go check and see.
Come to your sunbed, then I dig up your
Go
sunbed.
down there.
Them go down there?
I don't know, so we did go.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of sun, even?
No. I don't know side there we did go first.
Because I don't know, so I never know, so I don't know, so Janet friend them, the crib,
Alright, let's see what go on still today.
Yes, you know,
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, guys. So I said today we definitely morning. Today we definitely want to find him. You know, even though we're gonna get there, even though we're gonna get help after JDF as well too. So it's even better. They're gonna have divers, you know, dog as well. That's what I heard. So hopefully, you know, it's been 1 week now. 1 week, man. So just imagine how everyone is feeling. Been looking for 1 week now and still nothing. You know, guys, and we thank all of you guys for your condolences. You know, we thank you so much, you know, for reaching out. You know, because the family do need it, you know, because they're going through a lot right now. You know, so guys, just keep fingers crossed. You know, keep the fingers crossed. So hopefully we can go through this today. You know, so let's love, guys. Let's love. So we're here lining up as well too. Working. Go now. Just for Jason, just call Jason 7 forward and Roger. Jason. Go on so. 7 forward. And Roger.
Okay.
Oh, that general. So, Lodi, what kind of support them say we getting today then?
Well, so far, sure about the divers. So we get the JDF divers and we might get a few soldiers to help up on the terrain to see, make a search to see what I'm on.
Okay.
We request the K9, but we're not sure about the K9. Basically, they said that they didn't get a confirmation last night.
Yeah.
But they put it out to them, but they didn't get any confirmation. So we don't know at the end of the day if they will turn up or not. We'll just hope and pray say the resources what we get can help with do a much wider and deeper search.
Alright, yeah. I'm saying come as well.
I'm going to fall over. I'm saying over here before.
Put on a pants and come.
Where you go?
Drive the car, I'm drive the car, I'll give me. I don't know, yellow for that.
Yeah, tell me I'll come with the key.
Hopefully we can get the crane and come out as well to the divers, you know?
Yeah, cause some clothes in the car where them can sniff from.
Oh, okay.
You understand? Cause once you have the clothes in the dog,
Yeah, get the
smell from it, you can pick up.
1 week now, bro. 1 week. Morning, Shane.
But not finding him.
You want to go find him for?
One want to send me to go to some nobody wants to, you know. We stay same here, right? But that's one also must stand up for something. But see come us run out.
Body free of the water.
We have life jacket, you know, so life jacket is here.
Easy for fun, but see water come up easy for fun.
So guys, pray for us, you know, pray that we'll find him today. You know, please pray that we'll find him today.
Every time you see water come, she
Guys, you really need to, you know.
So that means what time she turn on the pipe, as the water come out, she not
Pray,
here.
guys, that we'll find him today because it's been too long now, you know. We need something.
I fling down the bottom, I took off in the river bowl for myself upside it down. Okay, travel guys.
Yeah.
What for? Yeah, for good. Yeah, for good, anyway. Yeah, space. One. Yeah. Ah, go in, go on, load it. Go on, cross. Go on, Alright guys, so we're gonna move out now. Yeah?
Yeah.
Walk in here, walk in the road.
How about this now?
This is the last one? Oh, last one. Last one, bad luck.
Touch your mommy, man. Alright guys, so I don't know the place. How much party today?
Pitfield.
Pitfield.
Alright, Pitfield.
Pitfield.
Taking on the journey. Yes.
So we come through Maroon Town, right?
Yeah.
And come down in a Pitfield.
Junction, Qatar, Maroon Town.
So we're done in a come on friend.
Yeah, can you get about
Come Candy. Guys, so let me say it's 1 week and now today make 1 week. I was still no signing. So I guess the soldier them is here, so we're gonna meet them down. You know, cause we're coming through Maroon Town. So them say we're down by Pitfield. And we're literally in the country with it right now. In the country with it. Banana. Dumpling. Some banana, I forgot with it.
Some dumplings.
Today is the day. Leader, today is the day we want to find you. You know, today, show yourself. You know, guys, as I said, this JDF already ahead. You know, so hopefully, you know, them at a distance where them close can get him out, you know, anywhere it is. So, where's that? How him dream? How him dream? Kizzy? Kizzy, come here, are you in dream?
Come in a little and bad. I'm here.
Come here, Kizzy. Are you in dream?
Yeah.
Him same there.
Yeah, like him they across from the river and I point over where bush them there and I say Junker so take him. But which time can I go just bush alone and I say me never see no water.
Oh, so that means him in the bush then?
Yeah.
Like up on the banking?
Yeah.
Yeah. And say Junker so.
So start take him time I show me Junker them but them not take him yet you know. But show damn time they probably Junker start surrounding now.
I wonder if I the same Junker that we passed and the fair tree that we so when I probably can decide it.
Yeah. When him coming up, him call me. Cause him like when he call me, I say him call me. Him say, Kizzy, you good? So I say, yeah, I'm alright. And then him carry me go to the river. And I find.
So you don't remember which part, what the river look like, which side?
Across, like, me don't right over the time, just a point, so. So me no know, cause first me I come down here.
Yeah, guys, so she got the dream, you know, because remember, him rise up now. So. Lodi, he just say, him say him in the water and him in the bush. So that's what that's up on the banking. You know?
I'm sure me look like say and the bush in the time just a point.
So that means that the bush will come. Hello. So that means that the water will wash him down in the bush.
Them and starch down there.
You know?
Eh?
We don't know yet, you know.
If he's not in the water, you can find him already.
Yeah.
In the water, but under bush.
Under bush, yeah.
Because in just on land, John could have found him long time.
Yes, under the bush, in the water.
So make sure stay with that man, because them they in a eat what they make them come down then eat.
Management out.
In a eat
Management is out.
out every day. Last night we just draw the curtain with them. I said, I don't know we tired now. We tired now, when they go tomorrow, you know, we have to sign now. Tired now, so we are home with him today, we not left him. You know, hear that one here? She spring there. Can they say? Can they say? We are shot. Hey, it's bad enough. I'm too late. Little and bad.
I don't know why I'm special, sir. I know see the day when I see him. I can't see him face.
The day when
you light me and look man.
When you see him?
Yeah, like the day when I'm see me out the road. I be a light, like I can't see leader face. I don't see light, me and see.
After the day before, after the same day when I'm go down?
Thursday. But me never know them. They don't go up on the road, but I tell them not to go away. But probably won't listen to me.
Yeah, I'm not going to listen. Time man, they done make up already, say man go. And then no, you don't know what the light, what you see though.
Me know the light because it's like an angel. It's an angel, but it's just bright, it's pretty and everything. But me remember some of my granny tell me so when people are dead, I saw them bright or them dead dark.
Oh. So you can see stuff.
Yeah, I can see stuff. But I don't make nobody know that.
You don't make nobody know?
I just see and just tell them.
So you're one of the gifted ones then though. So because of you, we're going to find him today.
You look so?
Of course.
Pray them come out.
Yeah. We're going to find him today. Any sign where you feel, anything where you feel, anything will come to your mind where you feel like you want to tell me, you tell it. Yeah?
Yeah.
And from today, if you feel like you get some sign or get something, even though they say no, like one, nobody know, you can make them know, you know, at least.
Yeah.
You know, because you have that gift. And that gift. I mean, know if you go down there today and you feel like say it's not the right place today, you're going to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. And it's so far walking up, guys. Right home. Alright, leader, you have to show yourself today.
Talk to him already from last night. Not from last night, from Wednesday night, I talk to him and I say, yo, you need to come out, because I can't bother. See how many people are coming, look here. And you not come out like me, you want to go. So I say, everybody else come, and you know I come out.
And you, are you my weapon?
I'm good. That's why I have hopes them come out, you know.
You might come out, man, because you my weapon. You my weapon. Because you got that pure soul where you can connect with this. So how long do you find yourself a see you find yourself have this gift?
From a little bit, but show the baptized and baptized back again. But I still can't see things, but I just can't see it clearly, but I can't know when things are happening. Because even my grandfather dead, the only person can see me.
When him dead?
Yeah, I'm dead, and the only person me alone can see him. Every night I see him. Yeah, but I don't make it bother me. Just want to say him kind of see him like how I'm brown.
Yeah.
Just say me, but I can't see him head. Just him bottom face.
So how it make you feel when you see him?
It don't make me feel no way.
You know some people say, oh, them head raised when they see them.
True, was say him? Nothing.
Just come natural to you.
Yeah.
But him communicate with you?
Him just there around me every night. But him not communicate with me.
So him walk with you and just walk past and just in the house?
Yeah, I'm in the house, but I can feel him presence like that. But I'm a baby, I have a problem because I'm a baby no know. Baby afraid of him.
Yeah. So him died before the baby born? So baby cry one time.
Yeah, I'm crying and pint and say, Mommy, I'm just scared. I'm just scared.
So baby how much now?
They are 2-year-old.
2. So you tell baby, say don't worry man, that's
Yeah, I'm telling him,
grandpa.
but true, him not know. That's at the problem.
So at the time when the baby pint, you seen too?
I can't see him, but every time I'm make forget, because when I'm in the room, I see him presence pass. Go in the kitchen and come back out. I'm be able to sit down on the bed in the house, so end up no see him pass. Because when him come to me, I see him that me don't know how him go at the river. And when I see him, I see him pretty short.
At a leader?
Yeah, him come to me, you know.
Nice.
But me don't know where him did wear. So, one pretty short in the other one. The short pretty short.
But when you come a river, them say one grey shirt or a grey or black shirt in the other.
Yeah, because him look like him got change, because him could come out. When him come to me, and in a suit him come to me. But me don't know, you know, because I never out the road, I go out. And my kid tell me, say, you know, say him come out, and I say, when him come to me, you know, pretty short, and I say, sure. And I ask him to go.
Machine have put one food.
And I best let me bring the dog.
The dog?
Yeah. Okay, so JDF is here. And the JDF is here, so hopefully, you know, hopefully the JDF them bring the dog or something, you know, we can help a situation same way. You know, so as you can see, this girl, she's very gifted, you know, very gifted. So here is the JDF truck. They must change her from thing, you know. Divers them. Blessed manners. Oh, now make it happen today, anyway, you say? Believe, you know. You say we make it happen today? Believe, man, believe. So they must change our guys, them gears, eh? Diver, put on him food, king, ready. Believe, no one. Find a friend for please, yeah? Please. So the dive team is ready, guys.
Walk river right there. So yeah, walk river.
Good.
Walk river. St. Mary. Amen.
Yeah, young youths. Yeah, young youths. Manners. So this is where they're gonna dive today. So guys, so this is where they're gonna dive today and see what can come up. Cause yes, look deep. Officer.
Yes.
Morning. So you're so deep?
You know how deep it is, you know. You know how deep it is. You can see the bottom of that? You can see it? You know, I ask you.
Yeah, that one there with the rock there.
You know, so like a girl, in dream her. I say, you know, the bush, you know, and if close to the water, and they must say, we have to hurry up and come back at the drunk, because them I go start picking. I thought we wonder, you know.
One dead cow in the water.
Yeah.
So wherever and whatever, as long as the body smells.
Yeah.
Use the anchor them
So you want the drone this morning?
One drone there?
Okay, now one already.
Yeah, man.
The bad Sarge.
Alright, take on the time.
One trying to do
Okay, one already.
In Ghana, sir.
Okay, sir.
So if you ever use yours, anything you want to try and say. But any swimmer available?
Swimmer?
It's like how the water came somebody could have gone there.
Oh, no, swimmer.
Yeah, man, on the check and see if the sun could be
Yeah, no, Mr. Check how soft it is. As you can see, my hand go right down. So imagine out there, side the same. Soft. Yeah, you can't swim.
Yeah.
You live near the gully, you know.
Yeah, me can't see but the land.
You live near Judgment. Wow. Look like the place, I'm sure.
Yes,
Yes, I'm sure.
yeah. But him a pint. But me, true, I just be a bush, me I see.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know if in the underwater.
Officer.
Yeah.
Just a yasso, you know. Him a pint and a show her, you know. So the place look like yasso.
Yeah? Yeah, like this, I search a couple of search. So here what now? Search your search. So here what now? I'm doing Ghana place up. Yeah. Lieutenant.
Never mind.
Okay.
Him did a check, see there.
And here so can look close to the other places then.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
If you have anything we could identify, like a landmark, so that's another area.
See?
I don't want to move from here so we don't go underneath them bamboo still.
Yeah.
Use something and kind of dig it.
Dig it.
Yeah, push the bamboo.
At the river, they come up here, so though?
Yeah.
They come up here, so So guys, so you may see the river, as you can see, come all the way up here. And the girl I said this is a spot where my pint. So if my pint, yeah, we are wondering if my pint over there. Lodi, you know she say a yes so.
So which one walk?
You know?
Walk, but don't know.
Go over now.
We'll come down here to go. We'll take it from. This is the turn. We're not coming here for one turn, you see? We'll go through that turn there and come down here the river. Straight down the one part of the river.
You must say one will check underneath them bamboo over here, so take something and juke and check.
What do do?
You must say one will check.
The girl that's the rubbish.
Yeah.
The rubbish. Only for rubbish.
All of them will take it out.
Yeah.
All of them will take it out and we're going down the river.
So I feel like, as you said, she say the dream when she get here, say yes so.
Yeah man, because
And at the first she come here, so
yeah, and the whole heap of rubbish and grass.
So
Oh, the Morgan there. Oh.
under this? No, you can't go under this.
Yeah man, the clear road, you can go up and go.
No, we have to go here.
No, yes, sir.
Yeah, right, that's it.
To dive over this.
Dive, big up yourself.
The time, you know.
Yeah man. From for him.
So diver. Them bamboo at the river bring them here come here so? The river bring them here come right here so? So that means them can underneath them rub here.
One place down the river where we are walk past and not know the grass is there.
So there's a lot of place.
We have a diver still when we all of them places when we have carried it today.
When they're here?
We have in a corner. We wait till we return when we call them.
So can them rubbish here. So if you can't eat them rubbish here, me that smell right now? No.
If you in the water, no smell.
No matter about them rubbish right here, sir.
Yeah, man, this one we smell.
No, it not smell, so it's not watch you go on. You see two years so cold?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nah, boil, you know.
Oh, too cold.
Too cold, you know.
So it not gonna smell?
No.
What if the sun take him?
The sun have to take it, so have to get dry.
Yeah.
The sun get dry. Everything have to dry now, so you know, so get to eat it place. Like you see now,
okay. So that means if I go and check in here, so then?
6 months, man, don't have this in the water for me.
So guys, them saying can they right here, so?
Yeah, so I told them to them have a
Yeah. I will if I rub this there, so still, you know?
Yeah, that's why like I want to come down here and say, you know. Nobody sitting here, so can't come out, you know.
Guys, we need to do a proper search over this side. You know? We need to do a proper search over this side as well. I need help over here, so this rubber are high. Even this rubbish as well, this pile we're standing on, you can underneath this because of the river washes coming, so.
But I can't eat for the one. So that can be
Okay. You know, must feel like so in there, so we need to check out.
Feel that way, no?
I see the wipe over there, so you know.
Feel that way.
So you need more than one person over here, so. So that as you can see right off here, so yeah, that was where the river wash come, everything, the sun, everything wash come right here, so that and over there, so where you see I was just standing. Dance. I'll go across the stream. But I feel like I said I rode it there, so.
I can start beat from this beautiful today. Like, go underneath.
Yeah, that if you beat right out, no lie. Yeah, we want to do that, but we want to see where them I go first. Alright, that's all.
Stop down there, so I'm free bamboo down so.
Yeah.
Them go underneath them through there. Man. Come, Chris, you're trying to go on there, so I'm going to you over the man there.
This is the dive of them. Eh?
Me alone, I said.
Are you having a sweat?
Yeah.
You see me a sweat? Today. No, you alone a sweat. So if you have the divers, then now we're going to test it. We're going to go underneath over there.
One week now, brother.
1 week.
1 week. 1 week lead and sleeping in bed.
Sure.
Yeah, God.
I want to keep him 9 days, so I want to make sure I say him fine. Today.
I'll go find him alive in 9 days. I keep seeing him. Never know. I can't stay there. And no other year I'm not getting a party. And I'll be a 9 day, man.
Be a 9 day.
Be a 9 day.
You know what they will say, yo? I wonder if somebody find leader and then a hospital somewhere under coma, you know, and people can't know say him or him there far away, you know, like some bush doctor, have him in the bush somewhere, you know, and him not wake up yet, him in a coma. Yeah, boy.
It's hard for just accept saying dead.
Yeah.
I will not see nothing to prove saying dead, just they say wash it.
And the thing is, some people, you know, said, oh, them people are for dead already, you know?
We have to do more time, you know, as they are saying, yeah. Believe.
Of course. If you die, but then, find him alive for me, please. You will find him alive. Yeah. Yep. I'll go for the... I thought the tree looks so different. Just for work, boss. The GoPro I'm not work with today. Huh? Go wait there. But the river come like a different direction that come from, so. You think it changed?
No. Nobody around side and time I go cross.
That's why I say, come here, come out and come back in.
Yeah. Time I walk go over here, so.
Yeah.
Change. Nobody around side.
Eh?
One tower.
Which one?
The tower go over the tank.
Oh, see there?
Let me over the brother.
Lordy. Brim. It's a drunk crowd fly this way now.
Back round, so you know. Eh? They run to the tower, run to the side. What you know?
Yeah, we're checking out them bushes, so. Come in, Jason. Come.
Where do we come from?
Yeah, So guys, as you can see, by showing you this river, looking at this, the river come down here and go to wash everything. As you can see how far the river come up. The river really come up. You can see some jungle. So imagine the river come all the way up here. We have to be searching in the bush. The divers them gone down that way, down there. Leader, come out, come in, leader, come leader, come now. Come leader. Remember we have match. Leader, remember we have match. Leader, we have match, you know. Remember you are you're the keeper. You know.
Running a Portland.
Yeah, we need to check this. Check that rubber here, so. We need to check that rubber here. You okay? We need to check this. You okay? Go search a rubber here, so.
Rubber and that.
Yeah, man. You stick up, man, you know, see?
No, signature to say you can't draw over them bamboo.
There's a bunch of bamboo there. All together.
One bamboo.
Yeah.
No, draw them one.
Okay, I want them join on. Them join together. Yeah. They're not join together. The diver say we don't must smell him body because the place is still cold and it wet. Because like sun are touching, say sun that touching now. Not there.
Just to move up on the phone.
Not there, sir.
Hold on, Juki.
Come in at this.
Look at it. Can't be refined, see me.
You just look at this. You see it from that side.
It's a walk down at the end of the road, isn't it? Dunbar is down at the end.
No, nothing. Nothing is there. The journey continues. Yo, the sun hot, you know, man. JC never walk with the water, them. Yeah. The water. Banking. Sure. Check on the details already? So the guys them, so we're kind of spread out, you know. We have one person there, and we have over that side, and then taking down the middle. So right us now we have a big rubble. And big one there so. Same say him there need sun, more likely.
Yeah, more likely I need sun just like the girl never dollars.
Yeah. Yeah, the same place. Leader? Cassitan, where we stop first? The police station there? Up there, sir.
Yeah, they must say the football, they wash the frogs up. Like my river clear, it's one spot them, you have to look in a spot for them, it's called crossway stuff. Crossway is the one, like you left on the spot, so you're not going to move to the start, and start to come up, right?
Oh.
If you can manage to go straight up, so, and then tomorrow now we can start talking, like, say, graduate tomorrow. I got graduate tomorrow and come back to them and finish the point with them and want to walk out. But I see more come straight up. To the point that I know definitely stay on and eat.
So the sea out there, that way. Thanks, sir. I will see that. Where name of the sea? Oh, not a beer. How far that from you, so Lodi? How far that there? Not a beer?
Yo, you feel like how would you go down the sun bed?
Yeah.
After some go down to my big bridge. But I never go back there anymore.
Alright. See the diver them there. So, as what that gentleman was saying, he can also bury under the sun. Because them said the girl did bury under the sun, and then the river come back down the next day now and wash her up. You know, so them say can also bury under the sun. And you see there's a lot of sun as well too, you know. So if him bury under the sun, that is the tricky part, you know. Tricky part, very tricky, because you wouldn't know where or which part of the sun him bury. So you know. So see the diver them there. So guys, as I can see where I'm standing right here, exactly right here I'm standing, look, you know, the river was all the way up here as well too. So the river was all the way from over that side to over this side, you know. So you see the brown bushes, the brown woody them, it's all the river, wash it come up here so as well too. All the river, wash everything come up here. All of this will have to find you. Should I have somebody out on that side? What is stop? Diver! I'm still going. So this sun wash up in Jamaica. So guys, I reached way up the stream. So I am way ahead of the pack, you know. So I'm really trying to way up. Everyone is way down there. So I meet up with some deep part of the river. These parts are deep. So I just met this rubble. All this debris. Maybe I have to go and clear this out. Literally have to clear this out. Because I don't know what can be inside of it. I have to clear this out to see what's inside. Anything can be inside. So this is a lot. Everything the river bring compile up right here, so This is so much. Oh. There's a whole heap of rubbish over here, so. Oh. But it's rain. Took it, just continue to go up that side there, little bit. And then continue to go that side there. One deep part, this is the river, you know. Yes, sir. Deep. Yeah. It's not far, no. Yeah.
Hi, Leda! Leda! You know I'm joking? Show yourself. This sun is so soft. Watch it. Twelve o'clock again. In the sun, same way. Imagine look how high this rock is. And look how high the water is above the rock. And this side, look. And then look on this rock. So tired now. I drain out the sun. Drain me, guys. The sun drain me. It's so hot. You turn back? Them turn back already.
No. You control and different one.
Rasta man art them clean enough. Can be a jelly them drinking. You know? All of them.
Water, wash off your heart.
Because we know them fake one day. They can't trick you,
Man, tell me all of
So go to work.
Yeah. Well, guys.
Yeah.
We'll walk.
Yeah. At this moment.
Wet. Look. Sweat.
Yes.
You know.
At this moment, young man going across.
Still nothing yet. You know.
This is not pipe water. Not spring water.
Jello.
This is jelly water from the tree. Only thing can survive us right now and in the shed right now. Try that.
Behave yourself.
So this jelly a one full 2 pound bag.
Yeah. So go to what is Nubian?
Billy that eh? Yeah.
Really? So I guess up here Maroon, let me say live around here, so we're in Maroon Town.
Oh, so this big one there again?
Yeah. So guys, so we're literally in the Maroon Town right now.
In Maroon. Yeah. Yeah, at this moment. Learn around the back, one look at the bring up and say, oh, I tell you nothing, so Roger. So that one part, he say yes.
So we want the
Chad, we are Chad.
So we want the ancestors them to help to find them, find leader today. You know?
We need ancestors. Brothers.
Help us find leader today because why you know far more go. Sun dry, yo. The sun baked me out, man. Just look for my shirt, the whole light soak. Everything soak. Yeah. Soak. I'm gonna tell you about, I don't know, water, sweat. Literally sweat. The sun bad out there. Feel like the sun take everything out of me right now. Good thing I drink the liquid jelly.
Yeah. To be able to push start over the mountain. Yeah.
Coming down the hill earlier was nice. Now going up back now, you know it's not nice.
Yeah. Actually, so if you're not used to it, Zayn. Yeah. That's the music of country a lot of steep. Yeah? No, my friend today. In one part. See, you just walk on a bike and a beast that bike, you go to slap him. You fall off there. Look, gravity there to do.
It's a tired mix.
Take your time,
This was trick.
So the Abeng for me. Yeah, the chief?
Yeah, chief that's Maroon Town. I would call it indigenous town.
Come in. Yeah. Come in, chief.
That picture I worth more than $1 million.
Yeah.
Why do wet like a dog?
Whoa.
Wet man.
You see, I run up the hill.
Yeah, good enough to run.
Exercise.
Good man, carry up. But I'm better with it. Stop clean and me give up. My boss.
Yes, I understand.
What I eat?
Nice. So we're here with the Maroon Chief in Maroon Town.
Scott's Maroon Town.
That's Maroon
Otherwise
Town.
known as Kusho Town. It's Chief Pink, Rudolph Pink. That's the name. Known as first Colonel Pink.
Okay.
I was elected as a colonel in this community to lead the people, and then becomes a chief, recognized under UN. Yeah, so UN invite me to represent the indigenous people because we are indigenous people. So because you live in Jamaica and born in Jamaica, we are one people.
Yes, sir.
So them call themselves Marooners and say Maroon well, are we Maroon right now? Maroon is just a name.
True.
The culture is what we live by.
Yes, sir.
Same way the ancestors them, so the same way we have to live on.
Yeah.
Otherwise we all get fall.
True.
And the ancestors them really right now they're upset. So this is the abeng. First telephone we use to make we alert the community that somebody passed away, somebody dead. Somebody dead or there's a meeting or there's emergency.
Yeah, okay.
Meaning it's emergency, meaning attack. So you give us a sound out of it. Yeah, man. So this is the signal, but we don't need no battery for this telephone.
Yes, sir. True.
Yeah, man. So that's how our ancestors used to live, you know. Tired too, you know. We don't from the riverside.
So long are you a chief?
A chief now from what? I would say 11 years now.
11 years.
Yeah.
Big Joe.
Because I born and grew up in this community.
Yeah.
Then leave to London. Yeah, to 98. So I spent 20 years over there. And then we return back and the community is not like what I believe it as.
Change now.
Everything changed. You know, everything get nasty. Everybody had that garbage all over the place.
Yeah.
But them not realize them are hurt. You know, they hurt what was supposed to feed them. So when they destroy the land and mama hurt, mama got vex.
Yeah.
So you have to do mama's job, you know, and mama work. So they have to do mama work, you know.
Yes,
yes, aye.
So the same connection with you and Curry?
Well, we are one connection, as I say. They split. Everything they split, you know. Just like church and state. Yeah. Different. They say Lee ward, that's a Curry side, and Win ward, that's our side.
Okay.
Yeah, so one side Kojo rule and one side Granny Nanny rule. So we rule by Granny Nanny. Blue Mountain come right over. So you're up on a heritage site right now. Stand up on a heritage site. Because you're so known as a part of the Blue and Drunker Mountain World Heritage Site. Yeah. Recognized by UNESCO. You know, and also the TPD, they're all the agencies them. Yeah, but we as a people we're supposed to govern ourselves and always govern ourselves.
Yeah.
But if you work with the treaty, that simply means you can't govern yourself because the crown give you a treaty and give you land. So that means you're a settler. You're not the owner.
You're not the owner.
Exactly. Yeah, so I don't work with no treaty. No, because Granny Nanny never signed a treaty.
Yeah.
Because she never trust a white man.
Yeah, so she never signed any.
She never signed any treaty. She get a land grant with 500 acres, as they say. Even though his story, as they call history, is always a lie. Because just like they give you the Bible, it's just a text. And they say if you worship it, there's a lot of things in there you're not supposed to. And there's a lot of words what we call upon today. There's even the word bless. That means be less of yourself. You must be highly favored.
Okay.
Word sound is power.
Yeah.
And we're not reading, and we are using the phone to do foolishness. When the phone is our gun, this is our weapon for research and know something for ourselves.
The history.
Yeah, the so-called history. And then you can translate it back and pick sense out of nonsense. Because they don't hide nothing from we, brother. Everything is out there, just like your birth certificate. Them mommy have to sign off, you know. Have to sign off the baby to the corporation. That's a bond surety, and that's your wealth. So any amount upon your way when you're just born, when they put it on the scale at the hospital, you're automatically entitled to that amount of weight in gold.
Okay.
So 3 weeks later, they create the birth certificate, because you get a bond paper first, and that's the one with the wealth. The amount of weight, so that amount of gold.
What you should get.
You should, but you're unaware of it. But you're even not capable of looking after your wealth. So they think they're capable of looking after it for you. So when you reach a certain age, you're supposed to realize, even though no one now tell you all of that, because they use it to create a lot of currency. So when you sign, anytime you go to a bank and sign, it's a contract, and your signature, you give them authorization to go in your bank account. That's the birth certificate. That's your wealth. And release millions. They sell your signature on always. Yeah, so question.
Yeah, question. With you now, because it's the first time I'm really seeing something like this.
Yeah, Ben.
Yeah, so with you now blowing that,
Yeah.
what the question, what would you really get from it? We as the search team, we don't understand, we don't know.
No, you need to know because
so what message sent out, what we don't know.
All right, the message I sent out is basically the guy who passed away.
Yeah.
So we have acknowledging and recognizing that our ancestors is here. So we're asking them to help us and assist us to find them.
Okay, so you will?
No, the ancestors.
The ancestors. You see, the thing about it is he can also buried under sand.
Okay.
Because the first water, when the first water come down, that's the dead water. So that the water will take everything and everyone.
Yes.
So once it continues like a wave and it continue, it must itch up and stuck somewhere or in bury up in the sand. But him can't get in no water bottom right now. He don't float already. Yeah, don't float already. Yeah. Because we know people who dump up already same way and we don't find the body. You know? Yeah, same place from the castle down there.
Same way.
Yeah. But we're hoping that you know. Yeah, but again, as we say, if he even live on the land, we don't see him, we don't know already. Because we don't see the crows, them a fly around. And I start, because 8 days now. Yeah.
Well, we as the search team from Civil Garden, we are grateful to see that you are really out today with us, giving us a little closure and the strength, because that's what we just really need, you know. You understand me? We are very grateful from Civil Garden.
Yeah, man, you're welcome, because you see, that river is a river where you cannot trust it. And if he and anyone is aware of this river and know this river, when rain fall, you're not going to this river.
Well, to me, this is not a river, because I come from river there and the first
No.
time. This river is something when I say nobody nothing going now. This is a killing river.
It is a killing river. The amount of body we take out of this river is already. From your little youth I grow. Because all when we go a while I go and turn back. Because I go far down, you know. Far. Me almost drowned down this already before as a youth. And the people dead down there already seeing me. But you see, it's a sacrifice sometimes we can say, but ancestors need to leave from location. They take other spirit with them.
Okay.
And sometimes that's how it goes.
Oh.
Yeah, because you can't tell me say you stand up and you see things are come down and you can't move. And you know realize that you're old enough, you're adult. You know say, make we go so. Right. So there's always things happen you have to look into.
So the spirit want to move from that spot.
Can be, yes, also. There's a lot of people, even just recently, a little baby, Joe, not same place, but down further down.
5-year-old, him say.
Yeah. Yeah. And the same place. Rain in the fall. The sun had just slip off. Not the water.
Oh, just slip off.
Them just now pay attention, now focus. Yeah, because a lot of distraction, and we need to start focus more on what's going on. And as well as the system. I create a lot of sacrifice right now.
So what's that signify?
Just signify as a shell. Spank shell. Yeah, savory. But we know as we say indigenous people, because I don't call myself Maroon anymore because Maroon is just a name. And also the name is British give us the name. Right now the whole of we Maroon, so we can say whole of we are Maroon.
Yeah.
So the whole of we Maroon right now. So it's a group of people working our ears. They say we come from Ashanti land, they say Ghana, Nigeria. But I never come here. I was born here. Because if you go back to Africa right now, Africa will tell you, say, no, you're not African. You're a Jamaican. Because I know it happened these days. And Africa name is just a name. It was a man name also. This town, as known as Scots Hall, is the Scottish. Come and change the name. Because it was originally Cusho town. So a lot of things we have to look into and research. But as I say, fingers crossed, hopefully, we can find him. And yeah, when I find him, and even if me aware, me attend the funeral also, and even escort.
We appreciate it. We appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
We give thanks.
Yeah, man, we have to give each other a hand, Because if we don't come together and them say unite, but cooperate with each other. Because you see, certain words, unite, UN, represent no just like NO. And the syntax, grammatical correct spelling. Pass a syntax. Yeah, the syntax, we do the syntax in words, correct way of spelling. Because there was no J in the letter in the alphabetical order. It was Y and I. There was no J, that's what I'm talking about. Jesus, there's none of that. Yeah, sure. Yeah, there's none of that. And when I give this blue eye brother, what them give Michelangelo boyfriend. Michelangelo. Alright, Caesar, Julius Caesar, son. Pay Michelangelo to draw that picture. Pope of Rome at the time. So his Rome rules same way. The Pope is still Rome, ruling same way. Who you think own the birth certificates? Who own you? It's Rome. And then lease out the birth certificate to the corporation, Jamaica government. England rule America and they rule Canada. And then they rule 90% of the nations. You understand? Unless they own. Because the birth certificate of mommy have to sign, she don't aware. Yeah, and then force you don't have to sign that. Because you sign over your child, you're giving your child away. And don't aware of that. To the system.
True.
And then put in our church and state. Yeah, there's a indoctrination camp. Yeah, indoctrination camp. Because my force you have to learn. Then now when you come own a business or do no business for yourself, you must come work for somebody. You're an employee. So I say, yeah. And brethren, none of we not poor, and we not poverty, and we not broke. The birth certificate, that's our wealth. But we have to know and be correct with status and how to go towards it. Notify, you have to write a thing called affidavit of truth. And they notify it. Then the government not hide nothing. Them say the government wicked didn't no. You not read because they say if you want to hide anything from black people put in a book. And we not read it.
Yes, true.
We're not reading, then put it there.
Oh, we're not reading.
We're not reading it, brother.
So they're not literally hiding anything, and just we not read.
We not read. They're not literally hiding nothing from you, brother. Yeah, man.
So technology now kind of show you some things that whenever they know.
Use it properly.
Weaponize the mind with knowledge.
The biggest gun you have in your hand, you can't take them there. At the telephone. Yeah, man, technology, man. You see the place where you pass up. You see you come around and say the place where you pass up. You have a museum up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we see a board gate.
Yeah, on the right hand side coming out.
Yeah, my place.
Yeah, from realize when you pass it.
Yeah, man. There's a museum there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we are leaving.
Yeah.
Alright then, Chief. Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Love, man, and respect.
Every time. Anna.
I go almost up on the road, yeah, right on my let me can go right from my one go pick up something.
We come like you get it.
My friend, so. Nervous already, bro.
So, at the bridge them attack, bro? Yes, guys, so we haven't found him as yet. Still haven't found him, so we're at this bridge, you know, they're checking under the bridge, you know, so still remains the same, still no chance, nothing. You know, most people, I say, if you don't find him on the banking, you know, case most likely is buried under the sun. You know, that's most likely what happened in buried under the sun, and then we don't really see no drunk truck fly around, you know, because they might get a signal as well too. That's what they hear the chief also said as well too, and most of the people them from in the area said the same thing. So Aye. And it's been as 1 week now, 7 days, 1 week, no sign still, and so, I don't know, I really don't know. I really don't know. As you can see, the JDF was here, so most people saying that it's not going to be underwater, so it's mostly on land or buried under the sand. Not underwater at this time, it's going to be up. You cannot find any yet, so. Yes guys, my battery died, so I have to change my battery, so that's what we were saying, yeah? I don't know what's next, because JDF was here. They even got a drone that was flying their drone. They even got a diver, but they never have no canine dog that we did request, so we never get any of that. 7 days now, still no sign, But we literally run out of ideas, and places where to search, because we don't know where to search right now, I don't know. I don't know if the search not doing it. I don't know. I really don't know. To be honest, I really don't know. Just imagine, looking for someone for 7 days now, and still no sign. Still no sign. You just don't know where, You don't want to give up. You really don't want to give up. Because you think there's hope. Still no sign. So say there's the JDF coming back round. And then this. See my fly pass way.
Yo. God.
So them gone now.
I promise you, the thing they far away.
Oh, go on, Lodi.
Nothing at all. Nothing.
I just want to go search a while ago.
Straight back down.
Nothing guys, nothing. So we had Scott Maroon Town right at the bridge turning in, so there's no sign, nothing. So diver. So what do you think right now? What do you think right now?
Right now? I'm not sure if I'm going to move.
Huh? So what the best solution you think? You don't know if you said though.
What more part? Don't everybody want to search still.
More part.
What if a part don't just still let you search?
Well, Lord, we are running up, we don't know what to do right now. Police call you. How will you do? Police call you. Yeah, police.
That man, where are you? Come here, hey.
Police attack to you.
You are police? Mr. Where are that man? Just behave yourself out here, yeah?
And him at him. But him a touch me.
Officer.
He's not sober.
Where you go? Where you go? Officer call out. Where you go?
You're jealous? No. And I'm going to go. I'm jealous.
Put on the cuff.
It's a lie, madam. Yes, you are.
Don't touch her again, you hear me say?
Me not follow him up.
Go sir.
Police attack you.
Take for yourself.
But me never know say you're police.
You say you're police too. Alright guys, so we're gonna head back in, so no good news, it's fair and falling now. So another day again. Raja! Yes sir. So guys, we're gonna head back out, so more sad news, no good news, more sad news, we haven't found him, so we're approaching now. Heading back. Period now guys, period.
Come back aside.
Come back, we start from Maroon Road. Straight road. Yeah.
But then from the side of our lesser to work with that.
Judge, come in, lift my light there.
Water and but that never will take. So in the most we come the camera. Come back aside there.
Now come here, brother, sir.
Come back aside there.
Over, in a go past the man that is the powder.
Alright guys, so we'll just stop here at Cassitan to show someone where he got washed out from. So I was heading home, because the JDF police them called off the search for today. Yeah, so we're just gonna show someone exactly where he got washed out from here back in Cassitan Garden on a rainy day. It's a rainy day. Back on the side as well.
Church of Keep.
Oh, look, the boy a clap. Yeah, this church, okay.
It's one big rock the GS where the man have to come through. It's one big rock the man have to come through. That's it.
I went and call what water.
What water in the test?
They said beer out here. So this is it. You see that it's good.
Any of the Maroon Chief. While our ancestors were moved from which part in there?
Yeah.
In order for the ancestors to move from the shop.
Yeah.
Come take over.
Take over. Yeah. I tell you like it is, man.
So I go see where him dip on. See two big rock them there. She dip on the one at back. And him dip on the one at front.
It's all those two in the pan.
See there? In the panda one, no, in the panda one for the front. And turn up on the back one.
Them two stone away.
Yeah, two stone in the pan.
See the pan one there in the pan.
So guys, so basically now the girl was on this rock and he was on this rock. And I guess but they was coming from over that side. You know, so by the time them reach here, the water, the river get heavy.
Well, you saw close him reach? You saw close him reach?
So this is where he was, guys. He was on this rock and she was on that rock. And look, you don't have to go. Just look on the direction of so many rocks. You don't have to go through.
This river, you don't play with, boy.
Hey, Jockey, and the water cover the whole of this, you know. So you want to tell me, say, never see when the river coming?
So we don't look and see water come with them.
And then over here, so when the water change, right? So probably them a run cross and she never make it.
Yeah. So she just try to stop on the first water.
Yeah.
Highest one.
And the highest one.
Water,
Water at 10 feet of water, you know. Look on the banking. Look at the banking there, sir. So you see them stand up. And the water that reach at the same. And the water that reach on the top. So water rise. Guys, just look on the amount of rocks, you know, where you have to go through. Just look on that. Just look on the amount of rock stone where you have to go through. You know. So you're wondering if we could see the river coming down, you know? Wonder. And how quick, you know, how quick you think the river come down so they couldn't make it cross. I don't know. I know we cannot find leader. Eh? May I watch for you, man? Eh? What is it?
come here, shut up.
Yo. You take all that picture, man. I right at all down here, you know, see the ice?
Yeah, we start going there, so we come them there, so after the world, people search for all and some of them.
Them can't search like me.
Oh, them search it, them walk it? Them.
People are finding already. Some people carry this to them.
The sun, the mind, you know.
Remember saying something else, I can't be and people when I want to
But you can't understand how leader them must have signs and water. And so when the leaves start, the water come down.
Yeah, when the water color start change, get brown. You know? And over the same day.
Here the river is a deadly river.
Of course, you know see it, man. You know see it, man. But I wonder how fast when the river come and how fast it come. So them could run from one end to the next end.
Close the river out of the water out of the dam. But the water dirty, you don't want it going on the dam. So have to clean it back, so take it for a month after.
Oh, so
them lock it. So all the water that is going on the dam, them refuse it.
Oh.
So everything are pitched down here.
So that's why they pay them so a long time, see something so big. Shaja. You know, hear me and tell you, man? Yeah.
Where are you going with?
When the water come, you see for the stone. The water, did they already?
Cover my fire.
We are still fire.
Oh, the water cover him up already?
So the girl is gone already? No, that girl gone a long time. Which one I stole him, did you? I'm not sure you said that see brother. I'm not telling you the brown one.
The brown one, him up and sheet up on this.
That one, yeah. Which one she, which one?
The brown one, him up on.
Which one you did upon? I want that.
Yeah.
Oh, right, yes, sir.
That one. The one
Pointed over there, sir. One about pointed one, yeah.
That's a good like a hole that blood already. What like a hole like that? Ah, if you climb on the stone right over there, so that one. Yeah. You need to like water filling up on that. Okay. So you feel like over there, so they must come from? Yeah, you got to look over there, and you see it, and you see it, and you try to take a higher brush. Yeah. And you come right just on the water, swell for you. Look for rope on that. The rope, first time the rope go out there, come back by the swing back and just back to you. If you stand up, you stand a better chance. Yeah, then I tell you, when come down there, that's my cousin, because I couldn't have them little brothers. And I try and run from them. So when they come down here, that's how the girl gone. Yeah. And then run come out, that's how I tell you. When we come out there, so I see my same attention. Stand up, you might go for a rope. But it's still not stand up. When you stand up, you will do.
That me I tell you, man.
Maybe if you say what you're doing,
oh, Chim, lie down.
No, go lick him with some man. Turn up, brother.
So the water
firm.
Both the neck back and in hand.
And the water doesn't either sick. Remember,
and as soon as your hand get weak,
yeah.
you're gone. Yeah, the weakness.
Oh.
And when they stand up, so yeah, they are above the water.
Yeah, that water just lick him.
Oh.
The water to him, the water that come like when you stand up, don't listen. No. You understand? So,
the brown stone. One thing, Lodi, if like a board or something come and lick him foot, they lick him wet. But if we stand up now, for him firm.
I'm lie down for the stone.
Can't lie down.
The water cover the stone. Oh, my God, lie down.
The water cover the stone, Jason. Can't lie down.
Because, to what me see, the water will come with a heavy force to cover the one there, sir. That rock there, sir. Don't let it cover the deal.
So guys, so basically, from the eyewitness, yeah, he was saying that the girl was on the front rock, this one, and he was on the brown one, the one behind. So he was on the bigger one. So we just get an eyewitness that was here and said like he was on the back one there and she was on this one. You know, so he was trying to get to higher ground, you know, but he was lying down, he was lying back, and then tell himself to stand up. So if he did stand up, like the water would actually go through him foot, but so the water beat on him and beat back on him, so it kind of wash him out back way, you know, because them tell him to stand up, they might go for the rope. So them throw the rope, so the first throw them throw, never successful. So them throw the next time and then wash away same time, you know, while the girl already gone already.
So basically him dead before the water take him. Basically him dead before the water.
Just dead it. Before water take him bad, bro.
Like him give up, you attack like him give up.
Yeah.
Mind dead.
Give up.
I will never tell her parents. Because the joke with them run before them. Yeah.
That's my friend, man. This girl gone let him, that's my friend. Man say, yo, when me I do, me can't do nothing now. That's him I said.
Yeah, me can't do nothing.
That witness is gone.
Yeah, no problem.
Well, his sister there. Because she could have ball, you know. Sister could have said help. She could have ball for herself.
She called him. The sister got his sister, call him.
The girl sister.
Girl, they say there.
Yeah.
The girl sister. Yeah. She there, man. I didn't do it.
So,
you want me to rock your money?
Before the PS look like
so you said since they run so and the same exact thing Lisa's sister said when she come on one trip up here with Brother Jack. So the people from the church I say I wonder if that with Brother Jack trip. Because Brother Jack move away right now. You see it? About 30 odd years or 20 odd years, she come and cast it and yes, and John. Brother Jack put on the
listen to Brother Jack, they married to my auntie them time there. You never know Jeffrey father. Them time when we and Brother Jack actually family them time and Brother Jack warn the girl. You know about it. Brother Jack nearly mad for throat. Them say about it. And the girl says she want to know water walk go pumpkin belly. I know them find her.
Exact thing.
You know them find her? I see them find her.
See them exact thing.
Me I tell you.
See them find her. Alright, so you return up, Pastor?
A long time.
A long time, man. Years about, man. More than 20 years.
Yeah.
Couple years well, that's a long before the photo.
Brother Jack make trip and come up to show. A little girl, when he must come out, she said she want to water walk.
A picture alone, I could have a picture of her. You never know who that comes to her. I one of them. Yeah, Vinway, he said me that wash it in about him save himself. That's our brother.
They said you, they tell them to come out of water. I feel father that tell them.
Oh.
Come out of water. Set you and after that, nobody will wash it in.
Till now. So same sea view person again come in and come wash you again.
Watch now.
So when for the same sea view spirit what my boy talk about.
The Rasta. The
ancestors.
Yeah. Because the chief say, you know, a most of spirit, you know.
A spirit, shock yourself and one move.
And look now, and the last person who joined us are from Seaview.
With them, more people join.
For years now, them said. Almost 6 months.
But she not join?
Yeah?
She not.
Come with some girl come up with someone here.
Yeah?
I mean, never know.
Yes, I go some picnic down there.
I really, that's all
In August. Don't more.
I go some girl and show you man.
The ring star fall asleep.
The first I come here in August, I come here. I'm going to this
Bro. What bro?
Early man, I think
to be honest, all my years I come up, I pass my class yes.
When time I go to school, I come over there so. You see me? I come over there so. Over the garden.
Yo,
Food
go
trip.
Kiel River.
You never met on beach if you come here.
Yeah, in Portland.
So man, Bull Bear.
That's out of Bull Bear, that's St. Thomas. St. Thomas.
Where is St. Thomas? What a Bull Bear then?
Go to Bull Bear, in St. Andrew.
It's a 9 mile Bull Bear.
Yo. No man, that's bad phone.
Bad phone, they have that now. St. Thomas, you get the water tank for water.
I go there, sir. More one time.
Georgia leader.
Dead so brother. Good man not dead so.
No sir.
Brother not dead so. Leader not dead so brother.
I think sisters say look what party the man go. Look what they see the two. Look on one man brother.
Can't find him body.
Can't find the man body. I will leader do so.
Guys, we really messed up. You know?
People coming in.
Yeah.
I will not collect them.
PMP?
In a year, I film players.
Oh, said now for pay.
The man say people come and see it, but I tell them, say, well, nobody go run us, so they just let him in.
Oh, so from before I'm going to the water.
Yes. You can't do your son of what's done really. It's not trouble you. That's what you really
Far. Yeah. Have a binocular.
Yeah. No, more time people will come and tell the station and stop us and tell them, come out the water and river. Come down with the sun and just have a this yeah. So, then we don't fall up so. So the dam when we use it, then let us water. Yeah. That are up more when I go school and go way up in the area.
That's a back down around the temple outside.
Fast temple, man.
4 years square and go up in the hill.
Can you imagine that? The last time somebody joined on you from Seaview, 20 years ago. The last person who joined up here from Seaview 20 years ago. And then another person from Seaview. So it come like where the chief would say. If that makes sense, because the chief would say, yo, it's a spirit exchange.
Yeah, everything will make sense now with the Maroon man said.
Yeah.
The ancestors want to move.
Yeah. That the man is saying, the man said the ancestors want to move. Ready? The man said the ancestors want to move. Himself so it go.
So somebody have to replace them.
Yes, so somebody have to replace them for them move. And look at this now. The person from Seaview as well too. They want to move.
So they have to get somebody to come hold the space for them.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. A leader spot this man. You know. So leader there so right now then. I look for me right now, I talk and I say, yo, I know him and tell which part of him body there right now, you know, but when I hear him, anyway I'm going to come back here, so. Guys, it's really sad, you know, to have to end this way, and you know, say, boy, we're going to head out right now, and you know, this is the case right now, you know, so we're heading back out. So until another day, keep you guys posted. I'll let you know whenever the body is found, you know, definitely, you know, I'll keep you guys posted.
No, you understand? That's understandable, no? Yeah. It's crazy to get him to water, girl. Because you never know.
Should I read between the from this one?
Yeah, we're going home now, you know? Yes, in that there.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.